Hello everyone, it's story time. The missing passenger. Scene 1. The airport mystery. It was a regular evening at JFK Airport in New York. Hundreds of passengers were rushing to catch their flights. But one man, Daniel Carter, never made it to his plane. He vanished. Security footage showed him entering the terminal, walking towards his gate. Then nothing. He was gone. No one saw him leave. No alarms went off. It was as if he disappeared into thin air. The police were called immediately. Detective Laura took the case. "Something doesn't add up," she said, looking at the footage. "People don't just disappear." She interviewed airport staff and passengers. No one had seen Daniel do anything suspicious. His luggage was still at the gate. His passport, his boarding pass, everything was there except him. The next day, Detective Laura received an anonymous envelope. Inside was a handwritten note. "Check gate 17. You're looking in the wrong place." The handwriting was shaky, almost rushed. Who sent this and why? Laura and her team rushed to the gate 17. They searched every inch of the area until an officer noticed something unusual. A maintenance door, half open, leading to a restricted area. Behind it was a narrow corridor, dimly lit. The air smelled of damp concrete. They followed the path until they reached an old storage room. Inside, they found Daniel, tied to a chair, unconscious. Daniel was rescued just in time. He had been kidnapped by an international smuggling syndicate. The criminals mistook him for an undercover agent working against them. "They kept asking me who I worked for," Daniel later told to the police. "But I had no idea what they were talking about." Thanks to the anonymous tip, the police cracked the case wide open. Several arrests were made, and the smuggling operation was shut down. Daniel was shaken but relieved. "One moment I was waiting for my flight, the next I was trapped in a nightmare," he said. The case of the missing passenger became one of the most unforgettable mysteries in the airport's history. In the anonymous tip, it came from an insider, someone who wanted justice but was too afraid to reveal themselves. The mystery was solved, but the one question remained: who was the informant? In the end, don't forget to like the video and follow for more videos.